cool breeze, supplied by air that smelt devoid of human instinct, are probably the first signs of the fact that we were entering a holy land of sorts where creation as intended exists. Situated 220 kilometers away from Bhopal, the capital city of the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh, a journey by road would take roughly 5 hours to reach the Bori Wildlife Sanctuary. The terrain was rough and rugged. The absence of man obviously means that the roads weren't fully developed, but a vehicle should probably get the job done.
ये कैमरा ट्रैप है। ये हमारे इधर के अधिकारी लोगों ने इसको बाहर से बुलवाया है और इसको इस जंगल में इसलिए लगाया गया है, जैसे टाइगर मतलब यहाँ ये रोड से निकलता है तो इसमें उसकी फ़ोटो आ जाती है, उससे हम पहचान कर सकते हैं कि हमारे जंगल में ये टाइगर हैं, इतने टाइगर है, ये मेल है, ये फीमेल है। उसके पहले गणना होती थी, वो टाइगर के पगमार से होती थी। अभी भी वो गणना होती है, वो टाइगर के पगमार से होती है। मतलब जब निकलता है, इसके कैमरे के सामने कोई भी मतलब चीज़ हिलती है या कोई भी निकलता है तो उसमें फ़ोटो खिंच जाती है। इलीगल यदि कोई गाड़ी की एंट्री होती है तो उसका फ़ोटो भी इसमें खिंच जाता है, तो हमें उससे पता चल जाता है कि यहाँ पे गाड़ी आई थी।
Currently, pug marks are visible on the track. Experts are present in the forest to study the nature of the tigers. These experts have studied the tiger thoroughly enough to deduce a tiger's life simply through their pug marks. Nestling amidst the dry, deciduous trees, the langurs are fiercely protective of their own clan and wail warning signs when they feel threatened by the presence of foreign species. Wildly agile and incredibly aware of their surroundings, the langurs leap tree to tree and have amazing amounts of intelligence and energy. Quite rightfully, the inspiration for the world's original superhero. Evolution also has a unique role to play in this ecosystem. Take the carcass of the bison for example. Every bit of nutrition has been extracted, barring the bones of the animal.
मेरा नाम आशीष कुमार पांडे है। मैं यहाँ पे गाइड हूँ। लगभग 10 साल से यहाँ पे गाइडिंग का काम कर रहा हूँ। ये जो सामने आप देख रहे हैं इसको फाइल लाइन कहा जाता है। फाइल लाइन जो सामने आप देख रहे हैं इसमें दोनों साइड के दोनों एरिया होते हैं। बीच से फाइल लाइन को कंट्रोल फायर के नाम से जाना जाता है। अगर इस एरिया में आग लग जाए तो इसमें ना फैले, इसलिए इसको पूरा क्लीन किया जाता है। आप सामने देख रहे हैं जो ब्लैक ब्लैक लाइन जो दिखाई दे रही है, इसको फायर कंट्रोल फायर जलाई जाती है, जिससे कि इस एरिया की आग इसमें ना फैले और इस एरिया की इसमें ना फैले। ये जो सामने आप जो फाइल लाइन देख रहे हैं, ये अपने सतपुड़ा टाइगर रिजर्व की सबसे बड़ी फाइल लाइन जानी जाती है। इसको मेंटेन हर साल बीच बीच में हर 2-3 महीने में इसको चेक किया जाता है। उसके बाद में इसमें जो भी कचरा होता है उसको क्लीन किया जाता है।
Calm, serene. The ecosystem at the Satpura Tiger Reserve is not only determined by the big and powerful beasts, but also by insects and microorganisms. curiosity in these creatures is fascinating. Some of these animals were confident enough to come onto the road and look at man with an insatiable look of curiosity across their faces. Man needs to learn that peaceful coexistence is possible and all the answers lie within nature itself. Regal in size and vicious with power, the Indian gaur is an endangered species now found exclusively in the central Indian forest. Nature and mythology have always crossed paths, and one of India's most celebrated myths come from wild boar. Aggressive, protective, and always moving along in herds, this lonely wild boar is indeed a rare sight. The bountiful primary producers of the food chain are scattered all across the land, making food and water not seem a luxury to these lucky creatures, for nature has provided all for the sake of her children. The regal antlers of the deer seem awfully difficult to maintain. Hunted by the carnivores, the deer are one of the most important reasons why the tigers thrive in this part of the country. Blessed with immense power and an amazing memory-cum-navigation system, these elephants are from several parts of the Indian subcontinent. Given their size and strength, they are used as transport when it comes to terrains upon which a vehicle starts to seem powerless. Water is one of life's most precious natural resources. The Tawa Reservoir acts as a background for the whole of Tigerland. Waters emerging from the Tawa Reservoir eventually branch out to form the backwaters of Tawa, Naini, Sonbhadra, Denva, and Wagdwari, the waterways that around which life revolves at the Satpura National Park. For all the progress man has made in the 21st century, thousands flock to Satpura to view the contributions of our predecessors. These paintings symbolize early man's life on earth and his interaction and harmonious coexistence with nature. These paintings, once deciphered, could probably give us answers to how might we curb our human instinct to rule and live together in harmony, with Mother Nature watching over with a tear trickling down her cheek.